A bag contains 16 marbles. There are 5 blue, 9 yellow, and 2 red marbles. One marble is selected at random. Okay, so they've got a bag of marbles, and they're gonna mix them all together, and they're gonna pull one out randomly. Determine whether each statement correctly describes the likelihood of an event based on the given bag of marbles. Alright, so they're gonna describe 4 different possible events. And we're going to decide how reasonable each of these statements is. We're going to select true or false for each statement. Let's read the first one. It is impossible that a green marble will be selected. Well, we see there's 16 in total. There's 5 blue, 9 yellow, 2 red, and 0 green. So 0 out of the 16 are green. So that's correct. It is indeed impossible to choose a green. It is unlikely that a yellow marble will be selected. Well, out of the 16 marbles, we see that actually 9 are yellow. So 9 are yellow out of that total. Well, 9 is actually more than half of 16. Most of them are yellow. So this is not true. It's not unlikely. In fact, it's the most likely that if you pull a marble out randomly, most likely it will be yellow. It's the most common color in there. So this is false. Let's go to the next one. It is certain, that means 100% sure, guaranteed, that a blue marble will be selected. Well, out of the 16, only 5 are blue. That's not 100%. It would have to be 16 over 16 to be 100%. So that's definitely not true. It is unlikely that a red marble will be selected. Out of 16 marbles, we see that 2 are red. So you have a 2 out of 16 chance to get a red marble. And I would say that is pretty unlikely. There's the least amount of red marbles compared to the blue and yellow marbles. There's only 2 out of the 16. So I'd say that is pretty unlikely. So I agree with that. That's true. So our 2 that were true were this statement and this statement here.